This is the beginning of the hike.
I know that's too close.
Not though, like, I feel like it's super close, but from here.
You guys should be.
So we're at the bottom of the Stewart Falls hike. Jay and Tyson planned it with me. Hopefully at the end, there will be an engagement, a little time on the knee. Been had the ring for about a month now. Excited to get it over with. So let's see how it goes. Tyson's trying to be incognito, but Am is blazing the trail ahead of everyone, and she's getting a lot of camera time, which is perfect, but it's kind of obvious that Tyson's not filming anyone else.
Finally stardom. Oh.
Dude, you're gonna biff it. But it's okay. I don't think she knows, so I think we're still good. So we're about to the falls. It's been kind of fun walking with Am because she has no idea. Everyone's kind of excited. I'm excited and nervous, but it's kind of fun to see her because she's just kind of soaking it in and enjoying the scenery.
Beautiful, and it was like, like straight over, just died. He used to water it all the time, and then I think he forgot.
So it's been cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's awesome. So I can hear the waterfalls now. It's getting close. Starting to get nervous. Didn't think I would, but we'll go for it.
It's like, oh yeah, don't go down. Okay.
Babe,
Yes.
I love you.
I love you.
So, over the time we've dated, I've never doubted that you're the one I wanted to be with. And you make me a better person. And I can't see my life without you.
Okay.
So are you married?
Yes.
She said yes.
I said yes.
I'm shaking.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Don't fall backwards.
Cody.
Uh-oh. I dropped one of them.
Oh, you did?
That was the wedding band though. Where'd the other one go?
Oh, I love it.
I mean, I can make another one, but I'd rather not. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see it.
It's like no one fell off the waterfall. I didn't puncture my knee with a rock. I didn't pee my pants. I didn't stutter too bad, I don't think.
I don't think so.
And I didn't cry too much, so video is a success.
Yeah, yeah.
End it. Woo!
Woohoo! We're engaged.